was quick. That was quick. Yes, it might be a crappie. Yep. The tug is the drug. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful morning out here. That's my view. Beautiful, beautiful, calm, sunny day right here in town. Pan fishing galore. That's the mission for today. I'm keeping it light, keeping it easy. I do have my shack up just to keep me out of the wind, but otherwise it's gonna be a really super easy day. I'm using just micro jigs with a wax worm. I'm gonna see if I can find some bluegill, some crappie, maybe a couple bass, and honestly just have a little bit of fun. It's been kind of a rough week. It's been busy with work. I'm sick again, so you guys will probably tell through my voice and how I'm talking, but you know, it's just one of those days where I'm happy to be out. Stick around. Let's go see if we can find some fish. Let's go. Okay. So depth right now, it's about 12 feet where I am. Looks like there's some weeds down below. About halfway, suspended in the water column. And there's definitely fish moving through. I can see them on the Vexillor here. They're kind of showing up and then they're disappearing. So they're definitely in here. Got myself just a simple micro jig tungsten with a wax worm. I'm gonna drop it down here and see who's home and see if anybody wants to say hello, good morning to my jig. Oh my goodness, that was almost instant. Nice bluegill, yikes. Holy moly. That is what I am freaking talking about. Oh man, I wish I was keeping fish today. Oh, shoot. Rethinking my whole life over here. I should have brought my little live well. Okay, well that was instant. Let's drop back down there. Yes. I was in 5 feet of water. Crappie, let's go. Fantastic. Not a big one, but oh buddy. Not a big one, but we will take it. Sweet. Ooh, I'm excited. There's so much activity going on the Vexillor. Between the weeds, the random debris that maybe the fish are swirling around, and then like actual fish, it's really hard sometimes to kind of narrow down what's what. I'm sure you guys can probably relate, those of you who have fish finders, the flasher systems. It's just, sometimes you get down here and it's not necessarily a Christmas tree full of fish, but it's definitely a Christmas tree full of randomness. It could be fish, could be weeds, could be really just about anything. I'm just kind of hovering right above the bottom of the lake here. Just kind of working it up and down, letting it bounce off the bottom a couple times. Whatever I gotta do to get these fish drawn in here. Yes, that's a good one. Feels like a decent one. Woo! Maybe not. Sometimes the fight can be deceiving. But hey, we'll take it. Nice little gill. Cool beans. Got him. Little guy. Little guy, little guy. Another one down there. Give me my worm back, buddy. Thank you. Quite a few down there now. Yep. Ooh. Man, bluegill fight so freaking hard. Oh my gosh. I mean, they're not even jumbo. They fight so hard. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Okay, this place is swarming with fish now. Look, I mean, dude, it looks like a freaking rainbow. They're everywhere. Not sure where they all came from, but I mean, I'm not going to complain. This is... Come on, buddy. Another nice gill. Cool. Still got my worm somehow. Drop back down there and see if anyone else is home. Here it comes, here it comes. Yep. Ooh-hoo! Man, never gets old. Nice little gill. You don't jumbos, but still fun. Let's see if we can pick off this one here. I see him right on my fish finder. Oh yeah, yep. Almost instant. Almost instant. Oh ho 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 ho. Man. I don't care who you are. That's a better size one too. See if I can get him wrapped around there. I don't care who you are. Bluegill on ice tackle, so much fun. So much fun. Got him. Got him. See you, buddy. I'm kicking myself for not bringing my little live well, but I know I could always just throw him on the ice if I really wanted to keep him, but I don't know. Not really feeling it today. Not really feeling it today. I don't want a clean fish. That's a crappie. Nice. Not a very big one, but okay, relax, buddy. Cool. Using the transducer. Oh no. There we go. Oh, really nice gill. Really nice gill. I know. Some of you guys are probably wondering, man, those are tiny. I know. Another nice gill. I think honestly being here in the weeds, it's actually helping my chances tremendously, because I'm noticing I'm getting fish that are suspended and off the bottom, and obviously it's doubling my chances of hooking up, but I'm wondering if these weeds are providing that cover that these fish are just, this is what they want. They want to be able to kind of hide in those weeds and come out to play whenever they want, and then when they don't want to play, they can go back in and kind of hide from predators and just relax for a little bit. But what's interesting, I say that because usually if it, weeds, maybe 3, 4, 5 feet, we'd be getting perch or something, but, we're talking, 12, 13 feet of water right here. And there's some weeds that are suspended, there's some weeds that are on the bottom. So it's almost like a big giant playground for these. Oh, that was a bite. It's like a big giant playground for these fish to kind of come up and see what they want to see, and then when they want to go back down, they can just go right back into their cover, and that's it. This time of year, especially at this lake, it's really hard to find weeds. So I think actually today that's helping me a lot. It's like a hub for these fish, you know. They can come by and hang out and be safe, eat some fish, get a good meal in. That was a really, really small bite. Interesting. I mean, they are just absolutely stacked in here. Feels like a bluegill. Yep, nice bluegill. Man, that is what I'm talking about. Let's freaking go, everybody. Let's go. Man, that gets me so hyped. Lure is. Just know there's fish on it. Big and little, I suppose. Probably smallest of the day. It'd be bait if it was legal. Minnesota. Yep. Oh, it feels like a better one. Woo! The tug is the drug. Isn't that what people say? The tug is the drug. Yes, it might be a crappie. It might be a crappie. Nope, there we go. Yep. 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 Ooh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna make myself a deal here. I'm gonna catch 3 more fish, and that's gonna mark the end of my day here. 3 more. 3 more, and I am done. That's what I'm telling myself. Whoa, there he is. Sitting there on my phone. Nice gill too. Very nice gill. Look at that. Trying to text people back, and that's what happens. That is what happens. Never fails. Oh, yep. My goodness. Another nice gill. Cool. That's 2. One more. One more, and I'm gonna pack it up. Shouldn't be too hard. There's 2 or 3 marks on the bottom here. We're gonna let this drop down and see if they want to play. That was quick. That was quick. This is it. I told myself 3 more. This is the 3rd. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I'll do 4. Okay, 4. That's my limit. That's what I'm doing. Okay, this is it. Last one. The last one. I'm telling myself right now. This is it. Oh, it's a big gill. Goodness gracious. No, I don't want to leave. Oh no. What a nice gill. Jiminy Christmas. Okay, hold on, buddy. Stay here. Don't spook them. Okay, you know what, guys? This is it. I promise. This is it. I'm not doing any more after this. Last one. Hold my feet to the fire here. This is it. I promise. This is gonna be the last one. No more, no less. Oh goodness. The tug's a drug. Tug is a drug. Ooh. Oh, there's one more down there. Okay, guys, hold on. This is it. Don't tell my wife. Don't tell my friends. Don't tell anybody. This is between us, me and you, on the camera. Me and you. This is it. Me and you. Keep it to yourself. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody, please. I just want to get one more here. One more. Come on. This is it, guys. I promise. This is the last one. Last one. Last one. Let's go. Let's go. Not a very big one. And he came off. That's it. I'm calling it. I think that's going to conclude today's adventure. Oh my gosh. Bluegill, through the ice, light tackle, couple hours to fish, unfreaking real. If I had to guess, I probably caught 40, maybe 50 bluegill total, and I would say 90% of them were keepers. Like, that is crazy. I had that little micro tungsten jig with the waxworm, and I dropped it down, and that is what they freaking wanted. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I sure as heck did. Man, oh, I'm so thankful. You know, sometimes you just have to be appreciative of where you are and the land around us, and have those few moments of calm where you can just relax and enjoy the day and enjoy the sport of fishing. Thank you guys so much for the support. I always appreciate it. Each and every one of you. You guys are awesome, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace!